Hello guys, it's been a while. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. Two reasons. Number one, busy. Kasi hindi lang, this is not my full-time job, so I still have some other work to do. Kailangan natin kumita, di ba? So that's the first reason. I've been quite busy lately, which is a good thing. Okay? And then secondly, my glucose meter actually failed on me a couple of weeks ago. So I decided on doing something else. Okay, a friend of mine, katukayo ko si Joey, also recommended something as well. Kaya tumigil muna ako. And what he recommended was a new type of CGM or continuous glucose monitor. Alright? Lately, in I guess the last couple of years, I've been using yung Freestyle Libre by Abbott. Okay, but this time around, I'm using something else. I actually purchased, okay, so unboxing tayo today. I actually purchased Ottai, okay, OTTAI, right? It's a continuous glucose monitor. I got it from Lazada. Okay, so okay naman, mabilis ang order. Ayan, galing sa Lazada. And I purchased, so unboxing tayo today. So it's Ottai. There you go, continuous wellness monitor. It's not a known brand. Hindi ko siya kilala. First time ko narinig to. I did some research. It's, I think, a product from Malaysia, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Now, the nice thing about this so far is, number one, it's cheaper. Okay. The CGM actually cost less than 2,000 pesos sa Lazada. So, as compared to 4,100, if I'm not mistaken, sa Mercury Drug or kung order ka online for yung Freestyle Libre. So, it's 50% cheaper. Okay. The other nice thing is that it comes with an app. Okay, so may app siya. Actually, si Freestyle Libre meron ding app, but for whatever reason, hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi available sa Philippines. I've tried so many times, ayaw gumana sa Pilipinas. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Well, as a businessman, I have my hinala kung bakit siya hindi available sa Pilipinas. I guess dahil maraming stock nung readers na gusto din nilang ibenta. Okay? But nonetheless, alam naman natin, isa sa mga hindi magaganda o isa sa mga malaking sakit sa Pilipinas ang diabetes. So the more that you can get it cheaper to the more people, mas mabuti. Diba? So Abbott, baka naman, diba? Makakaya natin gawa ng paraan yan. You have the technology, pero why not give it to the people? Alright? So, eto ngayon, dahil wala kayo, ayaw nyo gawin yan, itong gagamitin natin. Alright? So, bubuksan na natin what's in this. So, this is the box. Alright? Ayan po siya. Okay? So, it says Ottai Continuous Glucose Monitoring System. So, the packaging looks quite nice. Para din namang sa, yung sa Abbott. Okay? Tingnan natin, ha. Ito ko lang sa inyo. So, this is the box. Okay. So, ito yung well, ano naman siya. Okay, maganda naman yung pagkakabalot sa kanya. Alright. We have here accessories. Wow, may accessories. Hello. Ciao. Okay. Also, this is the simple instructions. Okay. So, yan. And then, a lot of, okay, so, the manual. Alright. Merong alcohol wipes. By the way, yung sa Abbott, yung sa version 2, yung sa Freestyle Libre, wala na nito. Okay, wala na nitong wipes na to, nagtitipid. Okay. Yung sa dati, version 1, when you purchase a sensor, may kasamang wipes siya. Alright. Pero yung latest version 2, I bought probably 4 or 5, probably even more. Okay. Wala niyan. So, ayun. So, good job, Ottai. And then they have this. Okay. So, this is an additional patch to make sure na secure yung CGM. One of the problems that I've encountered before with the Freestyle version is that natatanggal siya. Actually, yun nangyari dun sa last na CGM ko. I still had a couple of days left. But since, one of the problems if you're diabetic is you have dry skin. Okay? At dahil dry skin ko, so syempre, nag-flake siya, madaling matanggal pag nakakabit. Dahil nga, nag-dry off, nagpipeel off yung skin natin. So, madali siyang maalis. So, with this one, mas makapal siya. I think this is a good thing. Okay? So, yun. Buksan na natin. Okay. So, don't eat this. Hindi po asin yan. Oh, yung cute, oh. Nice. It looks very nice. It looks very, properly designed. Okay? So, I'll pause for the meantime. Pag-aaralan ko lang to. I don't want to make mistakes kasi sayang din naman. Okay? Just read through the instructions and then I'll get back to you again. Alright? Sige, pause lang muna natin. I'm back. So, ayan, ang haba ng instructions. Did I read this? Of course, iba itong language yan. So, ito lang. Pero yung English version yan. Bigli lang naman. Okay? Pero, it's good. Okay, similar to the one in freestyle. So, madami siyang languages and all that. So, nothing too difficult naman. Madali naman. Mga madaling instructions. Okay? Very similar to the old, the freestyle libre. So, again, my comparison is always yung freestyle leader because I've been using that for probably 5 years or probably less or thereabouts. Okay? So, ayan. Clean yung area natin. The application is always sa likod ng arm. Okay? So, that's best practice. I think technically pwedeng sa iba pero siya yung pinaka-safe na siya yung pinaka-safe na pwede mong kabitan. Okay? Dahil hindi siya masyadong hindi masyadong kita, hindi masyadong tatamaan. Alright? So next, we twist this. Alright. So may instructions naman Yan. So may arrows, isa dito, isa dito. Alright? Okay. Looks scary. Okay, so one thing na nasabi sa akin o nabasa ko sa mga reviews is that mas matalas nga lang daw ang needle. So, ayan. Nagulat ako. Mukhang totoo nga. Mukhang mas makapal yung needle nito. So, that's one advantage nung nung sa Abbott, the freestyle libre. Kasi yung super duper nipis nung needle niya. Hindi mo talaga nahalata. Okay? So, anyway, so that's that. Magkaalaman na. Okay. And then there's a safety cap that you have to remove. Okay. So the safety cap contains the button wherein you will be pressing it. Ayan, So I think it's very straightforward. Kung babasahin nyo, nakasulat, press. Okay, so dyan nyo pipindutin. I just don't know if I have the strength to do this. Okay. So dito siya. Alright. Hirap pala gawin ito sa pang-camera. Alright, so here goes natin. Hingang malalim and then count to 3. 1, 2. Oh! Wala akong naramdaman. Okay, buhay pa ako. Alright, that's good. Okay, so ayun. Wala akong naramdaman, so that's a good thing. I hope. Okay. And then the last part is ito. Okay, so lalagay naman natin yung palm protect sa kanya. And because this is the first time I'm doing this and I'm using this kind of thing, I hope I'm doing it correctly. Hirap tansyahin. Am I bound to make mistakes? Well, of course. Right. There you go. Yan. Snug fit, hindi masakit. So, ayan siya. Next. Okay. I'm doing this, this is the first time I'm doing this, so I might make mistakes. So itong app naman, that's why I'm not using my phone right now for recording kasi I need this for showing what it does. So when you install this, I'm using the one in Android, so I have an Android phone. How do you call this? May mga settings yan, so you have to create an account, you have to put up some settings, your personal information, your height, your weight, what else, what kind of diabetes you have, how do you want the thing to be displayed, okay? meron din siyang option for floating. So meaning laging nakikita mo yung yung monitor, monitor yung glucose mo continuously. And nasa taas siya, hindi siya nakatago. And there's also a setting to notify you regularly. Which is good kasi nga baka mamaya either super taas na o super baba na ng glucose level mo, 'di ba? Magandang nasasabihan ka talaga, which is a good thing. Okay? The old sensor of Freestyle also does that. But of course, it's a separate device. It's a separate machine. Na minsan pag malayo sa'yo, 'di ba, hindi mo makikita. At least ito, alam naman natin, 'di ba? Ang telepono natin isa sa mga bagay na hindi basta-basta mawawala dahil lagi nating hawak-hawak to, lagi nating nakikita to. So, it's good na it's on the phone, 'di ba? What else? It also requires you to enable Bluetooth kasi nga yun yung pang-connect niya doon sa sensor. So, you need Bluetooth enabled to connect it. Okay? And then some other settings. Medyo medyo kailangan sanay ka mag-install and mag-set up ng konti. Alright? So, kung talagang technically challenged ka, patulong ka sa somebody na kakilala. But it's not that difficult naman. Okay? So, I say apply sensor. Okay. So, may requirements to allow. Okay? So, scan QR code to connect. Oh, okay. So, it uses QR code. Choose the back upper R inside this carbon application. So, may mga instructions siya na ginawa na natin. I'm just clicking on next. Okay. Oh, so one thing na nakalagay dito, dapat maglagay ka nung patch after the sensor application. So, okay. Or one of the things that it asks you is anong unit of measure ang gagamitin natin. I'm using milligrams over deciliter. Okay, yung mga hundreds and all that. Why? Because ganun yung ginagamit sa freestyle leader. Mas nasanay na ako doon. So, ayan. It's calibrating. Okay, so 30 minutes. Similar to freestyle libre. Okay, so I'll be back after 30 minutes to check kung ano nangyari. Okay, and it also tells me to check. Okay, check yung settings kung maayos siya. Alright, so there, I'll get back to you after 30 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so it's now been 30 or probably almost an hour. Okay. I was waiting for it na magana siya, ma-okay na siya. Pero funny thing was that, well, it's not really a funny thing, pero nag-notify agad sa akin. So I saw dun sa phone ko, bilang may notification. High glucose. Ayan, it's 333. So medyo mataas talaga. Okay? Well, partly because I haven't been taking my meds, so bad yun. Okay? I just came from a workout, so medyo pumped up pa yung katawan ko. Ayan. So, it's working. Okay? So, let's see in a couple of days, I'll be making videos using this. Alright? So, ito na yung gagawin natin for the meantime. Makita natin kung okay siya or if the previous one was still better. Okay? So, real-time monitoring, di ba? Ang saya. So, ayan. See you guys next time.